Welcome back, guys. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1964 Corvette. This one here is believed to be 327 under the hood. No power steering on this car. I like to take them down the road, point out any kind of flaws so you know exactly what you're getting when you get here. Check us out at maplemotors.com. I have close to 100 detailed pictures. Wheels, tires, parts, and accessories are available. We also have financing and shipping available, so go on over, check that out, hit that subscribe button. I post classics every day, at least I try to. It's gonna be a cold one today. I believe it's about mid-30s right now. I'm not putting the top up because we're gonna put it right back in the showroom when we get back. You can see those detailed pictures of the top on the website as well. I'll tell you what, let's just go ahead and do this. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Before I take off, I'm gonna look around the interior, check everything out. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? See across the dash, it's nice and clean. Actually, pretty much everything on this car is clean on the inside. We're gonna be checking the outside as well for any kind of chips, scratches, flaws of any kind. Let's go ahead and start it up. This is a 4-speed car. Go ahead and try the wipers, see if they work. I guess the wipers are working on this one. We'll leave it on a second, make sure it's not gonna... Whoa, loud radio. That was real loud. The fan on this one is working. Hear it blowing. Let's leave that on. Maybe we can get some heat out of it. Oh, look, there goes the wipers. I told you, leave it on a second. All right. Now we just gotta get it cut off. There it goes. All right, we're all good there. Let's take off down the road. All right, hopefully I don't freeze too much, but we'll go ahead and take off here. Looks like our temp gauge is coming up. RPMs are coming up as well. It's showing 52,000 miles on the dash. Hard to stand behind that. This is not the original motor. Our oil pressure gauge is up. And anything I see, I will let you know. That clutch is letting out about halfway. It feels pretty good. The clock is working on this one. Woohoo, sit down in the seat. People gonna think I'm crazy today. Probably always think I'm crazy. We're going straight down the road. No pull left or right. And the steering is nice and tight, very little slack. Lots of pep. Brakes. Let's try them again. Oh yeah. Try the brakes again. Brakes are stopping fast, they're not pulling to the left or right. Wanted to get a good point where I can hit the brakes nice and hard without hearing the motor noise there. Our gas gauge is below a quarter tank, so I'm stopping at the gas station over here and for sure put some fuel in this one. So far so good, it's running and driving awesome. Try my turn signals out here. They're not popping up and flashing on the dash. We will do a little bit of a walk around of the car here in a moment right after the gas station and kind of check the turn signals and stuff. But for now, I'm gonna throw about $20 worth of premium fuel in this one. We'll come back, check this gas gauge. It is right below a quarter tank. All right, let's do this. Okay, show you where to put the gas in on this one. It has taken an absolute decade to put $15 worth of gas in here. The pump's slow today. But we're gonna check that gas gauge out as soon as we're done here. Okay, I just went ahead and cut it off at 10 because it was taking so long. Let's go ahead and start it up. Let's see about this gauge. Kind of looks like it's already up a little bit. It has came up. It was below a quarter when we got here, and we only put 10 bucks in it because the pump was so slow. Roll out. Okay, so yeah, pretty good car here. We got low on the temperature gauge, like 160, 40 on the oil pressure. We've been cruising around the parking lot for a while. I'm frozen, but you know, I'm kind of numb now, so it's not so bad. I'm gonna head on back to the lot. I don't know why I'm trying them turn signals. We checked them, they do not work on this car. Going into every gear nice and smooth. It's pretty quick. Hear them trains. Got a really smooth ride to it as well. Alright, we're going to turn on this road with a speed bump in it. We'll listen for rattles or shakes, give you an idea on suspension. It's coming up about right here. I'd give this suspension probably a 6 out of 10. Corvettes, back in the day, they did not have very smooth riding cars. Let's put it that way. pulling back in the lot here. I appreciate y'all watching this video. Hopefully it helped you out. Watch both videos, please. That way you know everything about both car, or about this car inside and out. One of the videos is a test drive, which you're watching right now. The other is a walk around, just going over all the flaws. All right, appreciate you watching. Thanks again. Okay guys, hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. You can also hit the notification bell, let you know every time I post a classic muscle car. I have 100 detailed pictures inside, out, and underneath of this ride and every ride on the lot. That's right over there at maplemotors.com. And of course, Monday we're gonna be doing a walk around, pointing out all the new cars on the lot. So be sure to be watching for that. And I have financing and shipping available at maplemotors.com. All right guys, thanks again for watching. I'll see y'all later.